Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, today I'll be making tacos. Once I cut a piece of lettuce off, I took it to the sink to rinse it off, and then you're going to see me cut it up. If you're liking the video so far, make sure you hit that like button and leave a comment down below. Once I was done with the lettuce, I took the cutting board, rinsed it off, and then you're going to see me cut up the tomato. Sometimes I like to add onions on my tacos, but not today. Comment down below and let me know what you put on your tacos. As you can see, I'll be adding some sour cream to my tacos. So here I'm just adding some ground beef, then some sour cream, some lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese. Also, make sure you subscribe so you can get notified when I post more videos.